So hi guys, in today's video I am going to answer all of your questions on my Instagram pic which you have been posted, all of them. So let's just move on and let me if you know if one of you is like a YouTuber, maybe bigger than me, maybe smaller than me, doesn't care. But if you monetize your videos, I have been like getting very like complications in my AdSense account. So let me just discuss with you. It would be very much help. So let's just move on to the first question. How many phones do you have or tabs not yours all in the house? So currently I own 4 phones. This is the Galaxy Tab 4 8-inch, Galaxy S4 and Euphoria. These are mine. And the other phones which I own is a Galaxy Z1 which is of my grandfather's, Galaxy Z3 of my grandmother and a Galaxy Grand Prime which is of my mother's. Let's move on. Which is the best battery ROM for the Galaxy S4? So lately I've been using this what you say LA95 Note 5 port for a couple of days and the battery standby time is very good actually. It's been 3 days and it's still on 47%. I don't know whether you can see it or not. It's still at 47% which is good. So standby is good. I don't know what about the usability, and that phone is like 3 years old, so I don't even care. I use a Galaxy S7 and it gives very good battery life, so I would be suggesting you to upgrade right now because it's very good thing, or as the price has been declined, or just wait for the Galaxy S8. Who is your favorite YouTuber? So in terms of tech, I'm a huge fan of Geeky Ranjit. He's like the biggest, one of the biggest, like what you say, tech reviewers in India. I know C4 Tech, but I guess he lives in Hyderabad, which is also counted in India. But I just like the humbleness of that guy. Like if you ask me, yeah, it's Geeky Ranjit, and it would be very nice to meet him someday. How much money do I make per video? What are the ups and downs may have faced as a YouTuber? So not the ups and downs, but there are many things if you monetize a video. First thing, if you become a YouTuber, you want to earn something from that. And I've been facing many of things like my page RPM is very low right now, comparing to my friend which is right now at 100 subs, but he is getting like $1 of a page RPM. So you never know what you're earning or what the person is earning, even if he has like 1 million views. For some of the YouTubers, many YouTubers will tell 1 million views will get you around something around $300, nothing more. But as my friend of this like has a page RPM of $1, he gets gets, if he gets a 1 million views, he will surely get $1,000. Maybe if like it stays around, because it's very fluctuating around with the advertisers. Still don't know. I'm like a very small YouTuber right now, but ups and downs. I had gotten strike before for a song, like a background song I've used, but I removed the video, like re-uploaded with the song, so nothing like that. I don't have any strikes. The channel is very in good condition right now, thanks to all you guys. Then comes to, sorry if I'm not looking in the camera is right there, but because the screen is right in front. Okay, so can you please tell me the theme engine on CM ROMs, cause every time I install a theme on default launcher it doesn't work over and over until I go to settings and uninstall the theme. So you might be installer have installed some like full or stock packages of GFs which comes with the Google Now Launcher. Now Google Now Launcher doesn't support what you say theme engine of CyanogenMod. It now if you have to like apply the theme on your launcher, you might be using the tray budget. That's what you call. Now as you can see, I am using a Nexus launcher over here. Just decrease the brightness. This doesn't support a same theme launcher, so that's the thing. Now if you take an example, if you want to install a theme, Nova launcher might be working. I never tried that, so sorry. But if you want to use a theme, just use the original launcher from the CyanogenMod. Can you please test the battery life on CM ROMs that remix? So I'm not like definite which device you would be talking, but I guess it would be like Grand Prime if you're asking. So the battery backup was pretty mediocre because it was very faster and very smoother. Also there was a bit of battery hitting. So I generally it's not my device, so I don't know whether how much screen on time that it gives on my mom's phone. But it was something around 2.5 hours on Resurrection Remix without any apps or heavy gaming like Facebook, WhatsApp, or something like other games, Candy Crush. So some of you guys with the camera might be getting like greenish photos. I don't know because I have some issue with my friend has a XCU and I own a XXU. So his device started getting heating up. So he didn't use the cyanogen mode at all. He kept with the stock and waited for the developer to update it. But I used cyanogen mode. I don't like. I'm just searching for the device. I don't have it, I guess. But his device starting heated up and my camera was just bugged off. So many of the grand primes, even if you are living in India, maybe something the another batch with like if you I have purchased that device for something around $300, which is around 16,000 rupees, and some of my friends purchased it for 8,000 rupees, which is like half of the price. I was so crying, but I'm glad that I got a better device in terms of development, so that's good. But the camera models are very different because my front camera is very blurry than this. So the charging problem may be getting because they are not like official builds from the Cyanogen mode team. One guy has developed them, and you can expect like he has ported the Cyanogen mode, which can be done like a year. The device launched with what do you say, KitKat 4.4.4, and no one was like really like able to develop a Cyanogen mode or what you say AOSP, Android open source project. So that's good. I wouldn't be complaining. You can sacrifice over the battery backup. I don't see very like a permanent fix for that right now, but let's hope the developer fixes it because the developer works like every day. He has been updating that what you say sandbox page every day with his change logs and all the work he has been like doing with the ROM. That's great. How did I get the newer version of S7Edge? I will also leave a link in the description for the ROM review of that. I was using what is SAN23 ROM for the Galaxy S7 Edge, which was a Note 7 port. I don't know why I'm still searching for that Galaxy Grand Prime. So when will the Android Nougat will come for the S7 Edge? So the developers at the Samsung have stated that the Note 7 will get around 2 to 3 months of official release. So we will be like saying like if you like before a month the Marshmallow beta testing was been started for the Galaxy S6 Edge, and it received Marshmallow way before like 4 to 3 months ahead of its release, which was very awesome. And I guess we will be seeing like same beta for a Galaxy S7 Edge or a Note 7, which would be very good. And what are the new things we have experienced in the new update? Let me just tell you. We get the all new like SoundCloud from the Galaxy Note 7, which we get around 15 gigs of free storage, which is good. Also you do get an animate option in your gallery if you are updated to the latest August patch. That's the thing. And some new apps like Note 7 music player, gallery, S translator, S health, voice recorder, smart switch, all together. These all apps have been updated to the Galaxy Note 7 by Samsung, which is good. So guys, that's it for this today's video. Please let your questions and suggestions flowing in my pics. I will be posting another picture like this of my Galaxy S7 Edge, so post your questions on that for the next Q&A. I know this is late. I will be very busy with, I don't know why the sun is very shining right now. I will be very busy like this week, so I won't be uploading that much. I know I've like missed 2 to 3 days of uploading. I do like I very much try to do daily uploads with Android Tech, but it was very like heavy workload around this week, so sorry for that. And guys, please keep supporting. I like that very much. We have been like in this week or so we will be hitting 1 million views, and we have already reached 3,000 subscribers, which is very awesome. So guys, thanks for that, and peace.